How to create public profile on Snapchat. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to create public profile on Snapchat. Now let's get started. First we need to go to App Store or Google Play and find Snapchat and upload it to the newest version. Then we should go back and open our Snapchat app. Now we need to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Then we should scroll down and find option Public Profile. And we need to tap on Create Public Profile. Here we see two guide pages. If you wish, you can read them. And then tap on the button Get Started at the bottom and click on Create. After creating a public profile, you can tap on My Public Profile. Here at the top right corner you can tap on Settings, and here we need to tap on Edit Profile. And in appearing menu you can upload photo, type profile information, and if you wish you can switch option which will show you how many subscribers you have. And that's all. It was how to create public profile on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.